was taking a nap with the bike and everything. I heard that. Right, so now I'm in the French Quarter. It is a very cute little neighborhood though. It's hot out here too. I think the high is 90 degrees today. And we are almost at the end of September. This is the Royal Sonesta Hotel. I saw this one a lot online. Famous door. I think this is Bourbon Street, I'm not really sure. Had a fun little Mardi Gras stuff. Okay, I am on Bourbon Street now. Fat Tuesdays, Oceana's Hideout. Oh, they're getting ready to play some music in here. So, yeah. Got some edibles. Wish I had something. Huh?
So it's being too pretty.
Oh, thank you.
Smiling enough, not partying hard enough.
The Hemingway Cigar and Cocktail Lounge. Let's take a look. This looks great. Oh wow. This is a great spot. How you doing? This is cute in here. Not yet. It's cute though. Thank you. So there's a cigar shop inside, she said. I'm gonna smoke cigars, so I'm gonna go take a look. A look-see. Okay. That's meow. Another cute little spot.
Hi, how are you?
Good. This one is called Bourbon Heat. This is really cute too.
Stairwell again? Yeah? Okay. How many hours left?
I feel like Brad moved to DBA, and then Emily took over.
Orleans Street. Okay.
Wait, what? I love this. Yeah.
Oh, thank you. See people be outside on their balconies up here. This might be a hotel. Looks like it. I didn't realize the street names are on the floor. I was trying to figure out what the name of the street was. And now I see. Got a little voodoo shop here, some psychic readings. I'm gonna definitely skip that. Oh, look at all these masks. Hello. These are cool. It's $140. Where do people wear these masks to? Is it just a Mardi Gras thing or just
Mardi Gras, Halloween, Easter.
Easter?
Yep, we dress up for anything and everything.
Anything and everything. I love it. I love it. They are really nice too. Thank you. She said they dress up for Easter.
31.
I heard
That's a
that.
cute dress. I love
Thank
it.
you.
I think something like that for the reggae festival next weekend.
Oh, I wish I would have came next weekend.
What?
Oh, man, I'm too early. Earring lady. Okay. I love an earring, so let's check out the earring lady. Alright, let's find that the earring lady. And I love earrings, so I'm gonna see if they got any nice ones. Alright. Hello. Wow. These are all the earrings in the cases, right?
I'm sorry?
The earrings are all in the cases?
No, ma'am, right here.
Oh,
There's
oh,
about
perfect.
200 and something.
They're so small. These places are really nice. Look how pretty these buildings are. We got a horse now. More horses. Whew. Birdie, Marty. I saw this place. Is it food? Is it drinks? It's not open yet. Let me go down here.
want a drink?
Hello.